Hey there, I'm making this video if you have Wi-Fi problem with your Epson l3250 and how you can actually fix this issue. So the first thing that you can try to do is that if you paired it before, try to unpair it. This is the first thing, but if you just can't connect it at all, the one thing that you can try, maybe it's going to fix it, is to reset it. So reset it. What you can do is that turn it off completely. You're gonna have it turned off, and then what you want to do, you just want to press this button right here next to Wi-Fi with the power button and just press and hold it for a few seconds. So is that hold down the network status button and press the power button until the Wi-Fi light and Wi-Fi direct light flash alternately. Then release both buttons. So after a few seconds, this is going to flash, you're going to release it, and then you just want to wait like for 1 to 2 minutes and it's going to turn off by itself, and then you know that Wi-Fi has been resetted. And that's how you're going to do it. Super simple. So that's how you're going to do it. So we're going to press this button right here and this button right here. Press and hold. It's going to flash alternately, release, and then you're just going to wait 2 minutes and it should fix it. So yeah, try it out then. Thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.